Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. Well, today we have some more Bakeey earphones, these particular ones being the Bakeey B9s. These TWS earphones are indeed touch controlled. They are compatible with most smartphones, tablets and PCs. Priced at £17. That's around 22 in US dollars at the time of this upload. But for the price, are these earphones actually any good? Well, let's delve right in. So, inside the box, just like the Bakeey B9 TWS earphones that we have previously reviewed on our channel, these earphones come presented in that cheap plastic packaging. Ugh. Yes, it does give it a cheap presentation. But at first glances, the charge case doesn't look too bad, to be honest. Behind that cheap packaging, there is a very simplistic user manual. Yeah, I'm afraid there's no multi-language. We do have some spare earbuds, that's great. One set of small and one set of large. And yes, we do have a micro USB charge cable. No, I'm afraid no Type-C charging with this charge case. As you can see, on the end of that cylinder-shaped charge case, there is a micro USB charge port. And just like the Bakeey B5s, we do have a charge case battery percentage display. It obviously needs charging. It's great to see that this charge case does come in matte black. I do hate glossy type cases, to be honest, and it feels quite solid. It's very swift, especially when sliding it open. But the first thing I do notice is that it may be a bit bulky when it's placed in your pocket. And yeah, it does look rather suggestive, if you get what I mean. Yeah, it does have a magnetic pull to close feature. And inside, yes, we've got the usual dual charge pins and the embedded charge sockets, which will keep the B9 earphones nice and secure without them rattling around. To the top of the earphones themselves, we've got them black stainless steel look touch buttons. Hang on. Whoa.
That's English for stop a horse.
Well, these B9s look almost 100% identical to them previously reviewed B5 earphones. Oh well. To the bottom, we do have those dual charge connectors, the left and right earphone symbols, some standard medium-sized earbuds already fitted. So yes, we've got 3 sets of earbuds included, and as you can see, we've got those flashing LED lights. It's cool though, they do go off once they are paired to your device, and as they already automatically go into pairing mode once they are took out of the charge case, our connection couldn't be any easier. Simply turn Bluetooth on your device. Using the B9's Bluetooth 5.0, it should be easy to search and select TWS 5.0, select it, and you should get a confirmation notice on screen. Go ahead and press OK, and your device should connect to the right earphone, followed by the left one connecting to that right, with also battery percentage indicator on screen. Go ahead and place them in, and right away, the sound seal is pretty good, blocking sound outs from the outside world. Quite comfortable in fact, without too much pressure and feeling very secure. As we did blast out many tunes throughout the day, I've got to say that volume really isn't that loud. They don't seem like they have much of a punch. Okay, it does have some heavy bass, but then that bass does rather drown out all of the other tones.
These are terrible.
So yes, the high tones do feel like they're very much absent. And unfortunately, nothing changes with those mid-tones. Quite below average sounding in fact. Certainly a mixed up palette of audio levels that also don't complement those low tones. But to me, the audio levels are irrelevant, as when it comes to Bluetooth connection, it is all over the place.
Fuck me. These are terrible.
Now, random disconnections with these B9 earphones consistently happened throughout the day. It was very annoying. One earphone would disconnect, the other would disconnect, then it would pair back to my phone, and that was consistent, using both YouTube to play music, Amazon Music, and play my personal music files upon my phone.
Disconnecting, skipping, random pauses.
So not only have we got poor audio levels with average sounding bass, we've also got random disconnections. And to be honest, these earphones, because they've not got good polarity between both drivers, well, they won't even be great for ASMR. If you're into that kind of stuff, that is. Ugh. The only good thing I will say is that the functions, well, they did have very good touch responses. Oh yes, while using the touch buttons, you simply have to tap while playing music on either earphone to play pause, tap twice for the previous and next track selections, tapping 3 times on either left or right earphone to increase or decrease the volume. And because these earphones do have dual microphones, when you do have an incoming call, tap them twice to answer, holding 2 seconds to reject a call, tapping once to end the conversation, and we did find when chatting that voice pickup was very much clear and crisp, but again with a few random disconnections on either right or left earphone. In addition, you can access Siri or Google Voice Assistant.
What time is it in Australia?
Australia is 2:36 on Thursday.
They are indeed IP45 waterproof, protected only against light jets of water, but they are definitely not to be dulled. But overall, no, these Bakeey B9s certainly didn't sound astonishing. I personally did get 3 hours 20 minutes out of the 4 hours that was specified on the Banggood website, that is with 100% volume being used. They didn't feel uncomfortable within that time. The charge time using that charge case also hurdled just over an hour to fully recharge these earphones, with the charge case supplying a possible 2 more full recharges from that 300mAh battery within that charge case. So yes, 3 full charges while on the go. Okay, all touch responses, like I mentioned, were very responsive, but even though they are indeed within a budget price category, I do think that we have reviewed many other cheaper earphones, like the new Bakeey Graffiti Earphones, or them quite fabulous classic Blitzwolf BW FYE1s that I personally mostly use on a daily basis. Yes, I will link both of them reviews at the end of this video for you guys to check out. But I really gotta say, and I've got to be serious right here, I've sadly got to give these Bakeey B9s today a low rating of only 2 out of 10. Listen, I did like the concept, I do like the charge case, even though it is a bit bulky, but overall, with the audio being quite poor, full of bass really, and those total random disconnections, well personally I do think that they're rather useless. Nevertheless, I will leave a link for it within that video description down below. Listen, these are my thoughts. I've got to be honest and truthful about this product today, and well, you can go and check that link out. Check them out for yourselves. But you know what? I think I'll leave a few links of some of my personal suggested wired or wireless earphones that I think you guys should take a look at in that video description down below. But while you're there, if this video helped today, please go ahead, and I'd very much appreciate it if you smash that like button. Please subscribe to this channel, making sure yes you click that bell notification option so you guys stay updated on all my new uploads. Yeah, shocking today, I really did think these earphones would be a lot better than what I thought, but that's just the way it is in this channel. Get lucky, and sometimes you get unlucky. But yes, I will see you guys on my very next video. As usual, stay safe, and I'll see you guys very, very soon. Peace!